alaikum everyone. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? It's me here, Fatima. Welcome to my channel. And then today I'll be making some wonjo. Gambia will call it wonjo. I will try to find the English name. I have my wonjo here. I have my clove here. I will put in some clove there. And then that's my pineapple. I'm gonna be putting some pineapples there. And then I'm gonna be washing my pineapple with vinegar, this white vinegar, but you can use any vinegar of your choice, with some salt. So I'm gonna be mixing the vinegar and the salt together to wash my pineapple. So for taste, I'm gonna be using some of my apple and blueberry squash, and then I'm gonna be using Vimto. So because I do not want to add any sugar, so I'm going to be using them too instead of sugar. So half of that and half of that one as well. Yeah, so I'm going to be washing everything now. So that's everything has been nicely washed. I wash everything nicely. I'm gonna boil them for 30 minutes. I'm gonna add my clove. I'm gonna be adding my pineapple. Everything gonna be boiled for 30 minutes. My drink has been boiled now. It's now ready. So this is after 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it to cool down, and then I'll remove all this one and make it into juice. Now my wonjo is now cooled down, so I'm gonna be shifting it. I'm gonna measure my blackcurrant and apple squash. Yes, love. Yes, love. That's the Vimto that I added. I'm gonna taste it and see. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm not gonna add any sugar, because I already added the Vimto and this one. So I mean, everybody know those ones. So the squash and the Vimto. So because I already added those ones, so I'm not going to add any sugar because it's sweet enough now. But if you want to add sugar, you can do so as well. I'm going to add some vanilla extra. Three. Yes, love. Sorry about that. It's my baby. She's here in my back. She's making noise. I'm gonna put the remaining one in my other bottles, and then I'll put them in the fridge. So yeah, that's my drink is ready. So thank you everyone, thank you so much. If you have your glass, you can put your ice cube there, and then that's a drink. So I'm going to be enjoying this drink with some ice block. Thank you so much, thank you everyone, stay blessed. If you come across this video, don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, so if I drop any video, you'll be the first person to watch to see the video. So thank you everyone, stay blessed.